Do you guys know about the livers? In this video, we will discuss about orders of liver and their application in the human body. So, what are livers? A liver is a rigid bar which is capable of movement. Do you guys remember Archimedes? He once stated that give me a liver long enough and a place to stand, and I will move the earth. Now, the components of liver. A liver is composed of five components: the fulcrum, effort, load, effort arm, and the weight arm. Fulcrum is the point about which the movement occurs, while the effort is the force applied at one point on the lever, while the load is the weight acting on the second point on the lever. Effort arm is the perpendicular distance between the effort and the fulcrum. On the other hand, weight arm is the perpendicular distance between the weight and the fulcrum. The diagram depicts all the essential components of the lever. I hope that would be clear now. Moving towards the orders of levers. There are three orders of levers: the first order lever, second order lever, and the third order lever. The third order lever is found most often in the human body. Now we will discuss all these orders of lever in detail. The first order lever. The first order lever is the lever of stability. The fulcrum is between the effort and the weight. The effort and weight arm may be equal, or one may exceed the other in length. This difference in arm's length will either lead to a mechanical advantage or a disadvantage. If the length of effort's arm exceeds that of the weight's arm, less effort will be required. This condition is known as mechanical advantage. Conversely, in cases in which the weight arm exceeds the effort arm, a condition of mechanical disadvantage occurs. Application in human body. Example of first order of lever is demonstrated during nodding movement of head. Skull represents the lever. Fulcrum is at the atlanto-occipital joint. Load or weight is shifted on the anterior aspect of the face, and effort is applied by the contraction of the posterior neck muscles. Passing towards the second order of lever. The second order of lever is the lever of power. The weight is between the fulcrum and the effort. Effort arm always exceeds the weight arm in the second order of lever, so there always be a mechanical advantage. Application in human body. An example of second order of lever is when heels are raised to stand on toes. Fulcrum is at the metatarsophalangeal joint. Weight is transmitted on the talus, and effort is applied by the contraction of the calf muscles. The third order of lever. This is the lever of velocity. Effort is between the fulcrum and the weight. In this order of lever, weight arm always exceeds the effort arm, so there is always a mechanical disadvantage. Now, moving towards its application in human body. When the lever is in the forearm, fulcrum is the elbow joint, load or weight is held in the hand, and effort is applied by the contraction of the brachialis muscle.